Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another editing tutorial video. It's basically a very common topic on my channel since you guys love the way I edit my pictures. So here I am with another editing tutorial video. As you know, I'm obsessed with skies, okay, and I love to click pictures, sky pictures basically, and I love to click pictures with sky. Sky background पे रख के मैं always picture click करती रहती हूँ, and you guys seems to love those edits, and I always get those questions कि how I edit those sky self portrait specifically. Alright, so I use Lightroom to edit all of my pictures. Sometimes I use PixArt. मैं पहले basics 12 and Snapseed भी use करती थी, but now I just only use Lightroom for all of my pictures and PixArt for some of the pictures. So I'm basically gonna be sharing with you guys the Lightroom presets. I generally use two kind of edits on my sky self portraits. One is this kind of editing, जिसमें everything looks very colorful and very dreamy, very vibrant basically, and another one is this one which looks very aesthetic, जिसमें the sky looks more vibrant. So I'm gonna share both of the editing tutorials. Let's start with this one. Okay, so this is a picture. The first option I go to is a tab called light. So यहाँ पे जाते ही first I'm gonna decrease the exposure because this picture overall is looking very bright and overexposed. We don't want that. So I'm gonna decrease it minus 0.15 or 16. Let's keep it 1.5. Next is contrast. We are going to decrease it. I usually never increase the contrast. Contrast decrease करने से वो softens वाली aesthetic वाली vibe आ जाती है picture में. As you can see, so I'm gonna keep it 19, minus 19. Next is highlight. Again I'm gonna decrease it, and इसको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा decrease करने वाली हूँ. 58. Increase करने से ना पिक्चर ज़्यादा हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है एंड इट जस्ट डजंट लुक दैट गुड. तो आई ऑलवेज डिक्रीज द हाईलाइट. तो इससे ना पिक्चर की जो कलर है वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से विजिबल होती है. आई एम गोना इंक्रीज द शैडो. डिक्रीज करने से वो ब्लैक हो जाती है एंड वी डोंट वांट दैट. Then we have white. White को हम decrease करेंगे because as I said, ज़्यादा whiteness, ज़्यादा brightness हमें नहीं चाहिए. So I'm gonna keep it at 12, minus 12. Lastly we have blacks. Blacks तो हमें नहीं चाहिए, so we are going to increase it. Then we are going to the option called curve. I'm gonna take the upper point downwards a little and taking the lower point a little up. And then we are also going to edit the midtones. So this was the white curve I was editing, and this is how the curve ultimately is going to look like. And we are done with the light tab. The next tab is color tab. First we are going to increase the temperature. Temperature increase करने से थोड़ा सा temperature बढ़ जाती है picture की. Basically it becomes more yellowish. Decrease करने से obviously it's gonna be very cool toned, like very bluish. Tint को increase करने से it will become pinkish, and decrease करने से it will become grayish. I'm gonna increase the tint a little bit. 5 पे रख रही हूँ इसको भी. Then vibrance. If we increase the vibrance, the color of the picture become more vibrant, and decrease करने से तो less vibrant होगा. So we are gonna increase it a little, not little actually. 21. And saturation को भी थोड़ी सी मैं बढ़ाऊंगी, just a little. Done. We are not gonna make the picture that vibrant. We want a colorful picture, but we are not gonna overdo it. Okay. Then we are going to the gradient tab, and I love using this tab. Okay. So यहाँ से ना you can change the shadows, hue, saturation, and luminance. Similarly, you can edit the midtones and the highlights. I always edit the highlights. So we are gonna go to the highlight section, and यहाँ से I'm gonna change the hue. First, I'm gonna increase the saturation a little. Now I can change the hue of the highlight. So I want that purplish highlight on my pictures. So I'm gonna keep it at 251. Yeah, 251 पे रख रही हूँ. And we are done. Next I'm gonna go to the mix tab, and यहाँ से you can change all these colors separately. उसकी hue, saturation, luminance तीनों को आप change कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे main जो colors होती है color palette पे, वो सारी colors इसमें है. The first color is red. I'm gonna decrease it towards the pinkish side, increasing the saturation a little and decreasing the luminance. Luminance decrease करने से the color becomes more deeper, and increase करने से that color becomes more lighter. Next color is orange. Orange defines the skin tone. We're gonna keep the hue at 0. Saturation I'm gonna increase it a little. Don't worry, just watch till the end. I'll make it very subtle and all. It will not look that yellowish or chamkila, you know. Luminance को थोड़ी सी increase कर रही हूँ. Next is yellow. I'm gonna increasing the saturation, increasing the luminance. and decreasing the hue. Now it's time to edit the sky behind me. First going to the sky color and I'm gonna increase the saturation fully. Then going to the blue color. Saturation को मैं थोड़ा सा decrease कर रही हूँ. As I said, I don't want everything to be that vibrant, you know. We have to balance everything now. And luminance को मैं थोड़ी सी increase कर रही हूँ. And I'm gonna decrease the hue. I want the sky color to be a little teal blue sort of a color. Okay, और तो कोई color इस picture में है नहीं, so we are done with the color tab also. Lastly, we are going to the effects tab and यहाँ से ही हम finishing touch देंगे picture में. First, I'm gonna decrease the texture. Then we are going to decrease the clarity too. तो इससे क्या होता है picture में जो ज़्यादा detailing and texture वगैरह है थोड़ा सा decrease हो जाती है and overall it gives the picture a very soft and dreamy sort of effect. Now dehaze को भी मैं decrease कर रही हूँ. And see, जो vibrantness थी ना वो बिल्कुल चली गई है अभी and it's looking very dreamy and soft. Lastly, I'm gonna increase the vignette. Vignette को increase करने से ना picture पे जो corners है it becomes whitish and decrease करने से it becomes blackish. So now you know the difference. So we are gonna increase the vignette. तो ये और भी ज़्यादा dreamy लग रही है अभी. And that's it. Now I'm cropping the picture a little. And that's the final result. This is the before. And this is the after. You can see how dreamy and colorful and aesthetic this picture is looking, right? So that's overall how I edit these kind of pictures. I'm gonna be taking a quick break from today's video to talk about some products. Monsoon can be very exciting, but it comes with a high humidity and excessive sweating, which by the way can be the cause of skin concerns like acne and acne scars. And to be honest, layering multiple products, especially during this season, can be very hectic. So the Dermaco comes to your rescue with its salicylamide range. Start your day with the Dermaco Salicylamide Anti-Acne Face Wash, which comes with the power of 2 actives that helps remove excess oil, controls breakouts, unclogs pores and paints acne marks like a pro. After washing your face with the face wash, apply 1 pump of the Dermaco Salicylamide Anti-Acne Serum on your fingertips, then massage it gently until it gets fully absorbed. It also comes with the power of 2 actives, 2% salicylic acid and 5% niacinamide, which not just helps in reducing acne but also treats acne marks. Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid that targets enlarged pores, acne breakouts and blackheads, making the skin healthy and clear. Niacinamide is an active form of vitamin B3, a gold standard ingredient that helps to reduce discoloration on the skin and fades out acne marks and scars left after breakouts. The encapsulated salicylic acid with the power of niacinamide penetrates deeper and exfoliates from within to reduce acne and acne marks together. When the power of 2 hard-working ingredients comes together, the result is clear skin. It just absorbs so quickly and does not make your skin greasy post-usage. And lastly, you need to apply a sunscreen. Even in monsoons, sun protection is a must. The Dermaco's mattifying 100% mineral powder sunscreen with SPF 50 keeps your skin guarded against UVA and UVB rays while also absorbing excess oil. The soft brush makes the application super easy, and the best part, one bottle gives you over 2500 strokes. All products by the Dermaco are fragrance free. They have empowered over 10,000 students this year with their Young Scientists initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. You can use my code SHINY2023 to get a 20% discount. All the buying links are given in my description box down below. And now back to today's video. Now it's time for the second editing tutorial. First, I'm gonna go to the light section and I'm gonna decrease the exposure a lot. इस type के pictures में brightness, overexposure ये सब बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. Then we are going to decrease the contrast. Highlight को तो obviously we are gonna decrease. We don't want that whitish or overexposed thing, as I say. Now, if you don't want any focus on yourself, then what you can do is you can decrease the shadows. तो इससे only your shadow will be visible. Now, इस type की editing भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है. But on this edit, I'm not gonna totally black out myself. So I'm gonna increase the shadows. थोड़ी सी मुझे अपने आप को visible रखनी है यहाँ पे. Then I'm decreasing the whites to make the sky color look more visible and also decreasing the blacks. Now going to the curve tab, यहाँ से I'm just gonna take the lower point upwards just like this, and यहाँ से mid tone को भी मैं थोड़ी सी edit कर रही हूँ. Now it's time for to add more colors to the picture. So going to the color tab, increasing the temperature, increasing the tint to the pinkish side of course, then increasing the vibrance but decreasing the saturation because we don't want that extra colors on our picture. Now इस picture के लिए I'm not gonna go to the gradient tab, I'm directly going to the mix tab जहाँ से we are going to edit all the colors separately. So I'm going to the orange color and यहाँ से increasing the saturation fully, increasing the hue, taking it to the more yellowish side because my skin tone is looking very reddish. Also increasing the luminance. Then going to the yellow, increasing the saturation and also increasing the luminance. Lastly, we are going to the blue color, of course, decreasing the luminance, decreasing the hue a little and make it teal blue sort of a shade, and increasing the saturation, and that's it. Lastly, going to the effects tab, we are not going to change the texture, we are directly going to the clarity. We are going to increase the clarity a little. This is very optional. If you want, you can keep it as it is. यहाँ पे इसकी कोई फैक्टर नहीं है basically. And his को we are going to increase a little. Increase करने से basically it becomes more contrasting. Vignette को मैं थोड़ी सी increase करी हूँ. It's again very optional. If you want, you can decrease it, but I want that soft glow in here too. Now if you want, this is also optional, you can add grains to the picture, which looks very aesthetic, you know. I'm gonna add a little amount of grains. This is the before and this is the after. So that's it. That's basically how I edit these kind of pictures. And yeah guys, that's all about this video. That's all about the editing tutorial. This is how I usually edit my sky self portraits. Now थोड़ी बहुत changes तो होती रहती है. That's basically depends on the pictures, color tones, lighting and all. Background के ऊपर भी depend करती है. You can also copy these editings and make your own preset. तो आपको एक ही टाइप की editing बार से नहीं करना होगा. You can just apply the presets and yeah, you are good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, comment down below if you have any video request or if you want to ask me anything. Follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there to get more of me and to get more such content. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.